Welcome to the One-Stop Service Tracking System, also known as OSST, Appointment Timeslots Training. This training module will walk you through the steps to performing standard requests through the Appointment Timeslots Management System. This system enhancement is intended to allow for more fluid and responsive schedule management, including adding, editing, and deleting appointments, adding office closure information, and setting repeating appointments such as weekly, monthly, every other week, or selected weeks of each month. The enhancement also allows for designating seating limits per appointment slot and supports English, Spanish, and Haitian Creole languages. In this simulation training, we will review adding, editing, and deleting appointments and adding an office closure. Let's begin with adding appointments. After you have logged into the OSST system, select Security from the left drop-down options and select Unit Search. Enter the search criteria, such as your region ID and unit ID, then select Search. Select the appropriate unit if needed. Now select the new button, Manage Appointment Calendar, underneath the unit summary table. Available appointments are listed just as the public or clients would see, including the current number of seats left in each appointment. From the Unit Appointments list, select Add Time Slot and see the resulting form hints. Review the form hints and click OK to proceed to the time slot form. The fields on the time slot form are pre-populated with unit information from OSST. If appointment meetings will be held off-site, you can enter alternate location and phone information. It is saved separately from the OSST unit details. Complete the form and save. The page refreshes with the updated unit appointment list. Now that you have the basics for adding a new appointment, you will have the opportunity to walk through a simple simulation on your own through the next few slides. First, let's practice editing an appointment. Let's practice editing an appointment. From the unit appointment list, choose one to edit. For our practice session, hover over the 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. time slot to select it. After the details are shown, choose Edit Time Slot. The hints for the time slot form are shown. Review and select OK. Now let's update the number of seats available by clicking into the Seat Capacity Limit field. Type in 2 to update, then enter. Now select Save. Notice that there is now a limit of 2 clients per appointment. Next, let's practice deleting an appointment. To delete an appointment, select the appointment or time slot to delete. For our practice session, hover over the time slot for Monday, 1 to 2 p.m. with 2 appointments available, then select it. The buttons for that day will all collapse as the appointment details and further controls are shown. Now, the Delete Time Slot button is shown. Click it and you are prompted to enter the date you want the time slot removed. Confirm the date. By default, it is today's date. Click OK to accept today's date. Also note that from this screen, you may select the option to cancel or reset this form if you no longer wish to delete or edit appointments or add a new office closure. The time slot is deleted and the page refreshes. Now let's practice adding an office closure. To add an office closure, choose an appointment on the day of the office closure. For this example, hover over the appointment time of 10 a.m. to 12 noon on Thursday. Notice how all appointments on that day are hidden now and replaced with an orange placeholder. The Add Appointment button is now replaced with new controls. Select the New Office Closure button. The closure is created and the page refreshes to indicate the change. Notice that the appointments for that day will no longer show in the calendar. Congratulations! This concludes the OSST Appointment Time Slots training. You may direct your questions to the Welfare Transition Program staff or SNAP ENT program staff.